I keep on getting a code E90 on my Intex Pure Spa. I have made sure that the filters are clean and the intake is clear. What else could be causing it? When I put the cartridges on, there is a rush of air that comes out of the outtake.
It sounds like the reason for the lack of water flow is an airlock. An airlock will form if there is a small leak somewhere in the system that may not be large enough to leak water out, but will allow air to come in. If, once the air is let out, it comes back. This is most likely the cause. If you don't know where the leak is, there is something that is made specifically for sealing small leaks like this. Marlig Fix a Leak Pool and Spa Leak Sealer, 32 ounces. It takes about 24 hours to run through the system, but when it's done, your problem should be resolved. It's an inexpensive fix, but usually effective.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.